Hey everyone, Sander here, and yes, this is a PC switch plate. But what is a PC switch plate? Who is it for, and do you actually need it? Let's get that straight in this video. So when you order your PC switch plate, what you pretty much get in the box is of course the PC switch plate. But that's not all, you actually get more in the box. So you also get a piece of EPDM foam. Okay, slight correction. The foam that's included is actually Poron foam and not EPDM foam. Good to know. Let's go. Which you can put in between the PC switch plate and the PCB. But if you want to mute down your keyboard a little bit more, you can also opt in for a silicone pad. What exactly is a switch plate? Well, a switch plate is pretty much a plate where you actually clip in your switches. Wow, okay, that's cool, but I mean, my stock safety itchy. it has a wide switch plate and I can install switches in it. So there's literally no difference. In appearance wise, it's just the same. Why would I spend more money into getting something that looks the same? Well, you are right, it looks the same, but the difference between these two plates is the material, and the difference in material makes actually a different sound profile. So the steel plate is made of a hard material, of course steel is a hard material, and this will actually result in a more high-pitched frequency sound. And if you have a PC plate, which is made out of polycarbonate, it's a softer material, which means you should get a more deeper sound. And also with the PC plate you might experience a slightly softer typing experience than compared with a steel plate. And that's pretty much it for the switchblade video. And of course, what do you guys think? Let us know in the comments below. And this video is of course aimed for the stock 68G with the stock ABS case. But of course we have an LMA60 aluminum case coming up. Well, then of course I will make a comparison on that one as well. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching and we'll see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.